In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to change the alignment scope. By default, the alignment scope is set to zip codes and accounts, and that means that you will be moving zip codes and accounts when you're using the touch align tool or the lasso tools. So let's zoom into an area like St. Louis, and you can see right away that we've got two labels set on the territories. The first one is the territory ID, and the second is the sales. So using the touch align tool with the alignment scope set to zip codes and accounts, clicking on territory 158, now I go into the purple territory, you will see that the boundary is changing because the zip codes are being shifted, but also the data is being shifted because that's account based. So we are selecting zip codes and accounts to be moved from one territory to another. Now if I change the alignment scope to only zip codes and do the same thing, I'll only be moving zip codes, and the accounts and the account data will stay assigned to the original territory because they're not being selected. Now let's use the lasso tool. The lasso tool can operate at any of the three levels: zip and accounts, only zip codes, and only accounts. So selecting the zip codes and accounts, so now it's lasso an area, and you can see that zip codes and accounts are now being outlined in red. When I let go, you'll see in the map query that we do have accounts and zip codes lassoed. Changing the scope to only zip codes, when I lasso an area, you'll see only the outline of zip codes is being selected. When I let go, you'll see that only zip codes have been lassoed and none of those accounts have been lassoed. Click close now, and now let's select only accounts, and now we lasso the same area again, and this time you will see that the boundaries of the zip codes are not being lassoed. It's only the accounts that have been selected, and you can see them outlined in red. When I let go, now we will see the same query, but this time we've only lassoed accounts and no zip codes. From here, we can click on the next button, and we can create an account-based territory by assigning all of those accounts to a new territory, or even create account overrides by assigning all of those lassoed accounts to a different territory. We can even delete just those accounts that we've just lassoed. Now let's click here on close. And there you go. You've just learned how to change the alignment scope in AlignMix.